Hey everyone, Joshua Femicordia here. Putting on my legal hat for a minute. A quick decision came down from the Supreme Court. In the 5-4 ruling, the Supreme Court has upheld birthright citizenship under the 14th Amendment of the Constitution. The Supreme Court has decided that if you are born in America, if you're born on American soil, you get the birthright citizenship under the 14th Amendment. This is a ruling that basically rejects the executive order passed by the president. Basically, the executive order stated if you are born in America, but your parents are undocumented immigrants, or if your parents are temporarily visiting America, or if your parents are on a student visa, you do not get birthright citizenship. That was the executive order. And that was the argument of the government in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has rejected that argument. And the decision means that whether or not your parents are documented, whether or not your parents are visiting, once you were born on American soil, you are an American citizen. Now, that has been the operation of the law prior to that executive order. So essentially, the Supreme Court is just solidifying and affirming the existing state of affairs. Okay. Now, who does this impact? Obviously, it impacts children that are going to be born in the future on American soil. This ruling says all those children will be American citizens when they are born. This ruling also affects a lot of people who depend on this birthright citizenship as the basis for their own immigration filing. So you have a lot of people who are citizens because of that birthright citizenship that they received because they were born in America. An example is the young man in the American football team, the Nigerian born, well, not Nigerian born, American born Nigerian player, Balogun. The story is that his mom was visiting and was about to return, I believe, was to the UK, but the airline refused to put her on the plane because they suspected that she was close to giving birth. So they wouldn't allow her to go back to the UK. And so she gave birth in America. Now, someone like that under the executive order would not have been covered with birthright citizenship. But under the ruling of the Supreme Court, someone like that would be covered with birthright citizenship. So those are just examples of how it can affect who is a citizen and who gets to file for the family members. If you're a citizen, you can file for your spouse, file for your parents, file for your family members. So that's where you'll see the impact and the effect of this. So, but that's the ruling. Justice Coney Barrett, along with Chief Justice Roberts, joined the three liberal Supreme Court justices to make the 5-4 count. So that's where we are with that law. So going forward, anyone born on American soil is an American citizen under the 14th Amendment. Okay? That was just a quick legal minute with your boy Joshua Femi Corriday. And let me know if you have questions, comments, like, share, follow, and let's keep talking. All right. Thank you.